Hello everyone, welcome to JSTP YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to velocity edit and Capcut apps. So I have added a video to edit. Here, I want to choose which part to edit the speed by click the split icon. For example, starting from this section, click the video and click split, and until this part. Okay, we can choose this part and click the speed icon. Okay, here we can adjust for the velocity with normal or curved option, but I want to choose normal so that it can be adjusted. Okay, we can be slow. Yeah, can you adjust for slow or faster? Okay, we can try to play. Okay, that is video how to velocity edit on Capcut apps. If this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.